You're having too much fun. Hey there, YouTube subscribers. Us at the Thatligarage would like to wish you guys a Happy New Year. We would like to thank our subscribers, and we would like to thank all of our part suppliers that help piece these things together. Sarah from LA Dismantler Porsche Parts in California, Mike from Turn 14, Pennsylvania, Kevin and Evan from Huntington Porsche out here in Long Island. We're looking forward to see what new projects 2021 holds. So stay tuned for the beginning of this year. We're going to finish this 911 Turbo and drive it around and enjoy it. And New Year's Day, I have a video premiering at 2 p.m. So stay tuned for that if you guys are over your hangover by then. So I'll be there, I'll watch, and I will answer your comments at the same time. And until next year, don't forget, if you ain't got haters, you ain't poppin'!